In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your Supabase API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate Supabase into your application or just exploring its features, knowing how to obtain your API key is crucial. Let's dive in and simplify the process for you. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to supabase.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Supabase is a powerful platform that offers a suite of tools for building applications, and having your API key is essential for accessing its functionality. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the project for which you need the API key. You'll see a list of your projects on your dashboard. Click on the three dots next to the project name. This is your gateway to various settings and options related to your project. With the menu expanded, it's time to head over to the settings. Click on the settings option. This is where you'll configure different aspects of your project, including managing your API keys, which is what we're aiming to do today. Within the settings menu, look for the API keys section. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can manage your existing keys and create new ones. This section is crucial as it houses all the keys you'll need to interact with Supabase's services. Now, you'll want to locate the secret keys area. This is typically where your API keys are stored. Secret keys are unique identifiers that allow your applications to communicate securely with Supabase, so it's important to keep these safe and not share them publicly. To create a new key, click on the New Secret Key button. This will allow you to generate a fresh API key that you can use for your project. Generating a new key is often recommended when you're setting up new integrations or need a key with different permissions. You'll be prompted to enter a name and description for your new key. Take a moment to think about what this key will be used for. Providing a clear name and description can help you keep track of the key's purpose, especially if you manage multiple keys for different projects or environments. Finally, hit the Create API Key button to generate your new key. Supabase will then create the key and display it for you. Be sure to copy this key and store it in a secure location. Remember, API keys are sensitive information and should be handled with care to prevent unauthorized access to your projects. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your Supabase API key. With this key, you can now integrate Supabase's features into your applications and take full advantage of its robust offerings. Remember to periodically review your keys and their permissions to maintain the security of your projects. I hope this guide has been helpful in walking you through the process of getting your Supabase API key. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy coding.